Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Ford Edge SEL, stock number Z9538A. 97,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ingot silver metallic in color. The Edge seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package, and power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. You can also drop the rear seats from the rear as well as the second row. This SEL has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, My Ford Touch infotainment system, dual zone automatic temperature control, radio, it's also satellite radio capable,
search for sync on your device,
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate and radio. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5 liter V6, 285 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.